sorry, it's been a long time, but I am down to doing reviews only once a month because budget over here on my account is kind of low, and I'm making all these weird low videos, so I have to cut down the reviews for once a month. But don't worry, I'll still be here reviewing once, maybe twice a month, but not like every day, weekly like I've been doing. But let's review Weekend at Bernie's 2, the worst movie ever. I mean, everybody knows Weekend at Bernie's 2 is bad. At least they got some of these same actors back. Whatever happened to Catherine Mary Stewart? Could you use her instead of that weird voodoo girl? What about those two guys? The guy that got turned into a goat or something. This movie just tries to be lame, and it shows it. This movie just shows it. It's about them going to the islands, and they resurrect Bernie with all this voodoo stuff where he can only move to the music like this. I can't do it right now because I'm on the thing, but there's not much to say about this movie. I mean, it sucks. The only good scene is where he has the arrow through his head and he has the headphones and he's pulling the kerosene. That's probably the only good scene. Why don't they have any good special features anymore? Whatever happened to that? Anybody ever hear of special features? The movie sucks. I just gave my reason. The movie just... Why would you want to resurrect this guy with voodoo? It made no sense. Ugh. Bad movie. My next review is going to be on Friday the 13th, Part 3, the new 3D release. Bye-bye.